Hello viewers, hope you are well everybody. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I bring a new video to you all of the viewers. Before starting the video, I want to tell you to subscribe my channel and tell everybody to subscribe also my channel, like it, do positive comment, never do a negative comment. Always tell everybody to do positive comment and share it with your friends and relatives, as many as you can. Press the bell button beside the subscribe word. This video I will tell shortly about how to clean a computer RAM, whether it is desktop or laptop, and get the solution of the problem for which the computer doesn't start properly, make a beep noise, and the CPU starts sometimes, but the displays in the monitor you see nothing. That's the problem causes by the RAM. So there is a problem. I will say three solutions of this problem. The first solution is remove the RAM from the motherboard of desktop computers in your house or your shop or office or from anywhere where you are using the desktop PC or the laptop. If you can open it, or go to the nearest servicing center. They will do everything. I am telling the solution for the desktop computer mainly. So the first you have to do is to clean the RAM with the tissue paper, or clean the RAM first with the tissue paper thoroughly, just like A to Z from first to last, clean properly. And then second, you have to clean it with a rubber. Swipe it on the bottom part, golden color you will see at the bottom part of the RAM where you put it on the motherboard slot. Clean it with rubber with very well, and clean it as long as you can. And the third option, you can change the MOSFET, I should say the black part, with a soldering iron and replace it with another black IC part you see on the RAM, and check it with a multimeter that every part of the black option is working or not. I can show you a RAM. You see there is 8 black part on it. This is called some kind of IC. You can check it with multimeter, and then you can see which one is working or not. And you have to also check that if any one of these getting hot or not. This RAM is 512 MB. In the next video, I will tell you about how to repair it and repair it properly so that it can work. That's the video for today. Next time I will bring you more important video about computer repair and accessories. For today, Allah Hafiz.